Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use external stickers on your account on Discord, on permissions, on role settings, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find use external stickers, click on it like this and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.